Let's have a look. Oh, it's snowed. Just been to drop Marcel off at work, but the problem is now somebody took my space at the car park here and I don't think there's any space at all. Today's plan, finish yesterday's video, get that edited and uploaded, which is actually done now, and it's like 12, half 12, sound. Wash the dishes. I've given up on defrosting the water, so I'm just gonna have to do it the kettle and tippy way. Tidy the van, go snowboarding, and then out for Russ's birthday meal tonight. Should be a good day. Looking grim. But first I need to go and get some water from the river. Yeah, again. What are you doing up there? Right, so we've got to dog walk, and I haven't tidied the van yet. It's 2:15. I'm not sure if I'm going to get to go ride today. Vamos, vamos, vamos. I love this here, just like, you know, if you slip on the snow. It's perfect. Did you have a nice night, mate?
Yes, I did.
Right, so yeah, didn't get out on the mountain, unfortunately. Now I've got some different work to do that I've got to get done today, so I'm sorry it's a short vlog. I know it's basically just me washing up, but see you on the next one.